For some of you, yesterday was a tough day. It was extremely hard, right? Some of you it was kind of hard, some of you it just plain out sucked, right? And so I want to say to you right now is yesterday's gone. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, what we have is today. And so I want to say to you guys, today is your day, right? Today we will rejoice, we will be glad, right? Yes! Be easy on yourself for yesterday. Just let it go, right? Just put it out there. Have empathy on yourself, right? Because sometimes I think we say, yesterday sucked, and we even get down on ourselves for letting ourselves have a bad day. If it sucked, it sucked. Have empathy on yourself because it probably makes sense, right? Hey, it makes sense why I had a bad day. There were some things that made it bad. Hey, it's okay. I'm going to be easy on myself. And today, rock it out. Be easy on yourself and love yourself and say, wow, I'm okay. I'm going to make today better than yesterday. I'm going to celebrate today. You might even say, you know, even though yesterday sucked, maybe there are 3 things that are beautiful about yesterday. Maybe like, for instance, you'd say the sun came out yesterday. That was pretty cool. Here in Colorado, it didn't. It was not sunny, so that kind of sucked. But you know what was kind of cool is the mist and all the overcast actually was kind of beautiful, the way that even though the sun wasn't there, there was different refractions of light, so it was pretty neat. So that was beautiful, right? So just look through it and say, okay, even though my boss was a jerk, I do have a job, right? Even though it was raining yesterday, it was pretty cool to see the birds playing in the water, right? And so just be easy on yourself. But today is an amazing day, and I just want to say to you guys out there who are watching this video, you are amazing people. You are amazing people. Be thankful that you're alive, and don't let all the junk weigh you down, because it doesn't have to, right? And God doesn't want that for you. I don't want that for you. I want you guys to celebrate and live it, right? Live it out loud. Live it in bright color, and be good to yourself because you're worth it. I did want to mention the cat. That's Evie. She's going to stay with me for a while, so you'll probably see her from time to time. Maybe she's a photogenic cat, maybe she's not. We'll see if she wants some showbiz cred here on the YouTube channel. But truthfully, she's going to become famous, and everybody's going to want her, and they're going to have to fight me for her. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, guys, love yourself. Have an amazing day. Yesterday sucked. Today's going to be great. It's going to be amazing. I promise you. Keep your eyes open, right? Put on your favorite jams and enjoy the day, all right? Love you guys. Peace.